skill is just a long prompt, a bit like a recipe. You can share them across your team. You can download skills from the internet. You can create your own skills. They're incredible. And there's a lot of like hit and miss skills online. Some are good, some are bad. But there's actually a really good directory called skills.sh where people have voted on skills they find helpful. Now, a lot of these are like developer focused, but if I search like sales, then people have put together all these different like sales qualification skills, sales compensation for figuring out like compensation of reps, sales briefing. Like you can see how many people have installed it, and so you can get a bit of a flavor for which ones are popular. You can give Claude a skill called find skills, and as we're doing pieces of work, Claude will say, actually, a skill exists for this, and it's had 20,000 installs. It's probably good. Do you want me to check it out before we use it? So you're basically having Claude look at the work you're doing, and then when it sees you doing something that someone else has codified, it will say, by the way, before we proceed, do you want to try out this skill that I've just found? And then it will install it for you. Before installing this, you had to sort of be thinking about skills, and you had to be thinking, should I write the cold email or should I go and look for a skill? And if you're busy, you're just going to start writing the cold email. However, if you install the find skills skill, and then you say to Claude, I'm writing a cold outreach email, please help me, then it'll come back and it'll say, actually, there is a skill for that with 73,000 installs. And then it will audit it. So it will tell you who made it. It'll tell you like if it's safe to use. It will just check that it's not trying to like do anything naughty. And then it will like snapshot that version so that if someone makes an update in the future, you've just got that version. So basically it's saying, there's a very popular skill. I think it would help you right now. And by the way, I've done a quick security audit and it's safe to install. It's not going to do anything dangerous. And so now you have Claude just constantly looking for new skills to help you get work done faster.